Okay guys, so I'm presenting the screen. Okay, so can you see the screen guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
very first, how to start the MS Word. Guys, it might be possible that the operating system version is different in your PC. Then you will have a different scenario. Here I have a Windows 10. So just go into Start and you can search for the MS Office. Also, you can simply type the word and it will immediately come in the window. So just open it. This is your Microsoft Word. And just go for the blank option very first because this is the first time we are doing the project. So just go for the blank, double click, and this is the user interface or the look of the MS Word. Fine everyone? Guys, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Okay, just acknowledge me,
Yes,
acknowledge me.
Welcome.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. So guys, this is the word. This here you can see the document one. Whenever you will save your page, you will save the document. You can see the name over here. Few important things we'll discuss today. All this home, then insert, draw, design, layout, reference, mailing. All these are the menus. We call them the menus, and each menu contains the different features. If you can see that all the so many features are there. We'll see some important features. So this is your ribbon. We call this section a ribbon. You can see over here. Auto hide ribbon, show tabs and show tabs and commands. If I click on auto hide, it will go. And if I click again, show tabs and commands, it will show you this. This is the document. We call it a document. This document contains pages. It is similar to your notebook, you can say. And here, plus and minus, there is zoom in and zoom out option. So if you zoom in, see, this is your one page. This is your one page. Suppose I want two page. Right now, see over here. Here it's a one of one page. Then we have zero words. Okay. Now, if I continually press enter, okay, I got two pages. Means now my document contains two pages. Right? So now here you can type, you can prepare your document. So now let's do some job. Let's type something. So very first we'll go for the home menu. Home menu. In home menu, mostly you will find the formatting options for your text, like text style, size, different formatting options, colors, alignment, indent, bullets, so many things. Now let's see that how to work with the home menu. Let let's type anything. Let's say I am an Indian. Suppose I have typed this text. By default, when you type something, there is a font size. To change or to modify any text or to apply any 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 feature on the text, very first you need to select the text. So this way you can select. This is how you can select the text. Okay, let me zoom out so you can see clearly. Is it clear everyone? Can you see the screen? Can you see the
Yes.
statement?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are two ways to select the text. One through the mouse. See, I'm simply dragging the mouse. This way you can select. Also, see this thing, this blinking something that we call the cursor. This is the cursor which I am moving right now through the right and left arrow keys from the keyboard. Also, you can press shift and along with the shift, keep it pressed shift key and press the right arrow key. This way also you can select the text. So whenever you will select the text, now you can apply these options. So let's say,
Ma'am, control A is also for select all. selecting the text.
Yeah, that yes, suppose I press Control A, it will select all the text in the document. But suppose I want to select some particular text, then I can go for mouse or the shift and arrow key. Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So okay. So now let's change some, give some formatting, or do some formatting. I'm just changing the size. Okay, quite large. This is, I'm an Indian. Also, the shortcut key for this is to change the size of the font. Control Shift left arrow. Control Shift right arrow. Right, left, left, right, left, right. Just keep the Control and Shift pressed, and also you can change the size of the font. Now, after changing the font size, I want to change the style. See, there are so many font faces are available. You can choose any, you can pick any, whatever you like. Any. Let's say I am taking this one. You see the console, handwriting is there. So many different fonts are there. Let's take this. Okay. One most important thing, guys, when you open the document and you start work, very first thing that you have to do is save the document. Save the document. Let's say right now I'm just saving this on the desktop. Let's say I'm saying practical 1. Word document, and the extension for the Word document would be .doc. By default, it will take .doc. I'm just saving this document. Okay,
Ma'am, for
now can you
saving,
yes,
ma'am, we can for just saving it in the Word, we can use Control S also, no?
yes, Control S is a shortcut key.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. See, because this is the first time, so of course I have to show each and everything, right? All the options
Yes,
and
ma'am.
everything. So save,
Yes.
yeah. So you can save from here, as well as Control S is a shortcut key. Now, okay, we have changed the font. Now I want to change the color of each and every letter. So let's say I. Just go to the color window, color palette, I. Then let's say some other color, green. Let's say some other color. Let's say blue. And for this, let's say orange and green. Okay, it looks nice, right? So this way you can change the color of individual font. And suppose you want to change the color of whole text, select all the text, go to the palette and change the color. Now, suppose by mistake you did this and you want to go back, means you want the previous one. Then here you have the option, undo option. And the shortcut for this is the Control Z. So if I press the Control Z, I'll get back the previous things which I changed. So now, okay, one more thing, you have to save your document every time. So suppose let's say I am changing the color. I'm changing the color and in colors. Now, and still I have not saved, but now I'm saving. Just press Control S. Now, let's say this is, we have the bold. Bold will just emboss your text some strong, sometimes we call it a strong font or a bold font. Then this is bold. Let me write bold. Then we have italic, and then we have underline. Okay, so bold. How to do the bold? Just select and press on bold. See, this is selected. This is unselected. Selected, unselected. So this is bold text. Italic. I'm just deselecting the bold and clicking on the italic. Perfect. Then underline. Go to the underline. This is underline text. Then we have strike through. Strike through. How to give the strike through? See here. Strike through. Now the question for you guys, where you can use this strike through feature? Question for you, where you can use the strike through feature?
Ma'am, where we have to cancel
For
something.
correction, if some word is wrong and we have to show in some project because earlier it was wrong, but the real original right word is something. So for that, can we use it?
Yes,
can use
also
it in
yes
a
for that.
daily
And we
planner.
can use to show the price and discount.
Yes,
Initially it was
price
of
and
100
discount. Yeah.
and now it is of 99, just like that.
Yes, yes, it's very good, very good. So strike through is a feature which normally we use to show such type of things. So strike through is there. Then let's say I want to write. Okay, guys, do you know that what is the scientific name or the element for the water? What is the symbol for water? Scientific symbol for the
H2O.
water?
H2O.
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 Wow,
To
wow. H2O. But it should not be like this, right? 2 should be this way.
small.
Small.
This we call the subscript.
Down, down.
Yes, down. Yes, and that we call the subscript. So whenever you come across such type of formatting, just select that particular character, go to the subscript and use this. Nice. Do not forget to save your document repeatedly. Now let's say I want to perform a square of numbers. Suppose I want to do this. Just 4 square is equal to 8. But no, this is not the right way. 4 square. How to write the 4 square? So here we have the superscript option. So now I can select the 2 and click on the superscript. Okay. Now it's right. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, superscript. Then let's say, let me write something. Okay, let's work with this statement only. I'm an Indian. Now someone asks that I want this in uppercase. See, as long as few words are concerned, we can easily change, but we cannot change the whole text of the document. Suppose this document contains 100 or 1,000 pages, it is not possible. So here we have the facility in Word that just select the text, and here we have the option to change the case. Here you can change the case. See, uppercase, then lowercase, then sentence case, then capitalize each word, and when we have the toggle case. So these are the features Word provides where you can change the different cases for the text. Now let's get back to the sentence case. So okay guys, can you see this red line? This red line.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is this? That word is suggesting you that this is wrong. Word is suggesting you. Yes, I should be capital, but it might be possible that I am not aware about that thing. So in that case, whenever you find such type of red line and under your text, just go right click on that and it will give you suggestion. Okay, Indian. It should be Indian. Just select it. Now it is corrected. So this is how you can change or change the keys. Then here we have some options like increase the font and decrease the font. We have already seen this, right? How to change the fonts, change the font size. It's a shortcut, nothing else. Now let's say in my text, I want to highlight some text. Normally, you know guys, normally when we study, when we read the book, normally we used to highlight some particular statements, right? So how to highlight the text? Suppose I want to highlight this Indian, okay? Then we have, here we have option, highlight. This is the highlighter. Select any color which you like, so you get your text highlighted. So this is the way to highlight the text. Means when you want to uh, draw the attention on some particular word, in that case you can use this highlighting. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
okay, great. So this is about the formatting. Now see guys, all this text, if you notice, all this text has the left alignment. If I want it in center, I can bring it in center. Then we have the right alignment, and this is justified. This is basically for the paragraph that we will see. Now if I ask you to write, or yeah, let's say that I say that prepare the document for 5 pages and apply all the formatting features. Means first you need to type the content, anything you need to type, right? But here I can do something. See, I know it's not visible. I have kept it intentionally. See guys, what I'm doing, I ask you to type some paragraph. Of course you need to type this way here, this way you have to write, right? But no, there is a one magic. I'm typing something what that is secret, and you can see that, oh, I got 2 pages. See, text is there. Is it interesting, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the function is, okay, see guys, there is a one function is equal to rand, that is for the random. This function is for the random. In this function simply mention any text. Let's say I'm putting the one value only, then you will come to know that what is the meaning of this value. One, this one prints this paragraph, right? So it means that one time paragraph. It means that if I say a random 2, it will print the 2 times paragraphs. Randomly it will print something, and on this text you can use your use different formatting features just for the practice purpose. Fine, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is about the formatting. Now you can see, let's select all this. Now see, different alignment. This is justification. Still we don't have, because still we need more text for this, but this is okay. The next is the line spacing. The next is the line spacing. Just notice the difference. Just notice the change. When I click on line spacing, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. What is happening, guys? What is happening?
Ma'am, they are making space between each other.
Space between the words,
Yes,
ma'am.
Space
The
yes.
space between the lines are increasing.
Lines. Yes, the space between the lines means it is increasing the lines. Now, guys, what happens in there are certain types of documents they require that your line spacing must be 1.5. So in that type of case, you can use this line spacing because certain types of projects and the documents have their fixed format that line spacing should be this, then face types sorry font style should be this, font size should be this. So in that case you can use this line spacing. So after the line spacing, here we have theme colors. Just leave it right now. Now let's go for the bullets and things. When you type something, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but when I want to make a list, I cannot type this way 100 times. So what I can do, I can simply write red. This is the list of my products or something. Then blue and yellow. But I want to give the numbering. In that case, numbering or the bullets. In that case, we have the bullets and the numbers option. So depending on the requirement of the document, you can choose this. So let's say this is the bullet. Different types of bullets are there. You can choose any. Suppose you want a new symbol, you can go to the new define new symbol, new bullet, and you can choose from the list. Right now, let's keep it this. Now, let's say some other thing I want to write. Let's say uh, drinks, then food, then colors. But inside the drink, I have, let's say, Coca-Cola, then I have Pepsi, then I have Thumbs Up. I have under the food, let's say I have pizza, then pasta. Under the colors, we have red, green, blue. But this is not the perfect way to write, right? What all I need is the numbering or the bullets. So first, select, just give the bullets, but still it is not right. Still it is not. Why? Because this Coca-Cola should be like this. So simple, just tab, press the tab and it will automatically change the bullet style. Now again, let's say under the red, I want to write dark red and pink. Suppose I want to write this. In that case, it means it is under the red. So again, you can go this way. Are you getting, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how, okay, so this is how you can use the different bullets and numberings for the same. See, 1, 2, 3 you can apply, this format you can apply any format. You can change the style, anything. Now, after this, you must have seen, let's assume that this is your you have written the letter or the application. Let's say this is the content. Now what happens normally when we write yours faithfully XYZ, but normally this text should be at the right side here. So to take this text right side, here we have, see, this option. This is the indent. We call it indent and simply change the indent. This way you can take it at the end. Looks good?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yep.
So, these are the basic formatting tools. These are the basic formatting tools which you can use. Here, then we have different styles. This is normally we use when we actually write the book. When you draft the book, when you write the book, at that time normally, or some specific types of documents, at that time we use this thing. Right now we are not going to see this. It's very come in the very last stage. Now let's say someone asks you that I have 100 pages of data, and by mistake the name was the employee, or the name was the client was Amit, but by mistake I wrote the Adit. Let's say, means now I want to change Amit to Adit. It might be there are chances, guys, that this type of mistakes happen in your document. Let's say you have used Amit word, let's say 10 or 100 or 1,000 times, because it's a name of your student or the client or any. But instead of the Amit, actually you have to use the Adit. So now you have to change this thing. So how to change this thing in your document? So for that, here we have the find and replace feature. Find and replace feature. So first, go to the find, click on find, and it will ask you what you want to find. It will ask you that what you want to find. So I say that I want to find the Amit, and it will give you all the results whenever throughout the document, wherever it will find the Amit word. But my job is not ends here. I want to replace it. So here you have what you want to find. I want to find Amit, and you want to replace it with what? I want to replace it with Adit. So just replace all or replace any option you can use. Replace will change some few text only, but replace all the text. So let's say replace. Okay, only one change happened. Okay, and close. So this way you can find and replace the words. You can find, let's say that I have this paragraph, and wherever it's what is let's say 2. Instead of 2, this I want it in a capital, let's say. So simply select the paragraph, go to the find option. What you want to find? I want to find 2. Okay, 2. But I want to replace it. Can you see, guys? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 we have.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I just want to replace. Okay. So I just want to make it a capital, nothing else. 2. I want this 2. Okay. Either you can go for the replace or you can go for the replace all. Replace will ask you for each and every time. See, first, replace. Second, replace. Third, no, I don't want to replace. Then skip. Go find next. 2, no, I don't want to change. Find next. Yes. Yes. Okay. Done. So I found basically 4 different tools, but among the 4, I wanted to change only 2 words. So this way you can use this find and replace features. Easy, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And great. And do not forget to save your document, guys. Do not forget. Now see, 146 words we have. So here you can see total words, how many words you have. This also you can see, and total 3 pages we have. You can see 3 pages we have. Now only 2. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am.